How to add photos to an album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. You can now choose more than one photo or video from here. Select the photo you want to add to an album. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, select Add to Album. You can view all of your albums over here. Select the album you want to add the photo to. You have successfully added the photo to this album. You can now repeat this to add other photos and videos to this album as well. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to an album on iPhone.